Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to lock your Facebook profile. So first, go to your Facebook profile, just click on this button right here in the top right corner and then click on your profile, and then once you're at your profile, click on the three dots right here that beside edit profile, and then if you are eligible to lock your profile, there will be an option right here that will let you lock your profile. So I will show an image on screen right now on what will that look like. So yeah, because Facebook only has a specific number of countries that will allow you to lock your profile. So far the countries that are allowed to lock their profile are mostly Arab countries like UAE, Afghanistan, Iraq, Myanmar, Ukraine, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, India, Morocco, Egypt, and Sudan. So if you are from these countries, you can lock your profile, but if you're not, I think all you have to do is wait until Facebook allows all of the countries to lock their profile. So yeah. So if you have this setting, all you have to do is just again click on the three dots, and then you will see an option right here that says lock profile, and then once you see the lock profile option, all you have to do is press it, and then there will be an option that will say lock your profile, and then just press on that, and then you are done. You have now locked your Facebook profile. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to lock your Facebook profile. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.